What is referred to as the ribbon is this area up here. And what it contains is a number of tools that you can use within Excel. So you'll see you've typically got a file button, there's home, insert, page layout, etc. So these are sort of containers that contain similar tools. So on the home tab, which is what we cover mostly in the beginner course, we have things like the clipboard. So do you want to copy something? Do you want to cut it? You've got font type issues. So if you've typed something, do you perhaps want to bold it? So you can click and make it bold or switch it off. Italic, etc. So we've got a whole bunch of similar tools in the same place. So you'll see on the home tab there's alignment, there's number formatting type issues, something called conditional formatting, which we'll cover later, various formatting options for the tables, and some other options. Now the ribbon is one way to access these tools. We teach a lot with the right click. So if you like to use the ribbon, great, you must use it. You can as well, when you go to a cell and right click, you get a number of different options. So you'll notice that over here we've got a little toolbar which is pretty much covering all those areas. And you'll see we've got paste, which is these areas. So how you access these things in Excel, there's always many ways. So for example, bold, we could click here. Let me switch it off. I can use a shortcut, Control B, achieves the same thing. Or I can right click, and over here you'll see I've got the bold option. I can switch it on and off. So although the ribbon is up here, there's many ways to access these tools. The ribbon is very useful just to see what is there and to remind you when you're struggling to figure out how to do something. Just a brief summary of the other ribbon toolbars, because we're going to focus mostly on home. But you've got something called insert, where you can insert some of Excel's tools, pivot tables, some graphics, charts, word art, etc. You've got some page layout, so this is to do with generally with printing and colors and how you want them to appear, what do you want to do with the pictures. Formulas, which we touch on a little bit later. So we've got some of the typical formulas that you'll use, and then it can go into quite a bit of detail, and we'll cover a bit of this later. There's a data ribbon where you can actually get quite advanced and pull things from databases and filter them and use various tools. There's a review option, so do you want to check your spelling, add a comment, protect the sheets. View, what do you want to see down here? You can have a developer option. Not everyone's developer ribbon is on, but as you get more advanced you might want to switch it on. And you'll see on our version we've got a lot of other things switched on that you may not see at the moment. But as you progress through your Excel learning, you'll see you'll start adding these on and using them intelligently. Just going back to home, this is what the course is going to focus on, and hopefully by the end of the course this will all be very clear to you.